Well, certainly one of the places that it's going is toward pickup and delivery and full
Yes.
service. And you've got a separate facility for pickup and delivery. Tell me about this segment of your business. When did you open this facility? How large is it? Is this a bright spot for your business overall?
It's a very bright spot. Very bright spot. So
right.
here's the situation. We have been doing pickup and delivery for several years, but we could never scale because we don't have the area to store storage. So when you see people like Mark Vlaskamp or Dom over here, they have their huge facilities that they can store their customers' clothes and bring the vans in and go. So it makes scaling a little bit more difficult on a smaller end when you have, even though we have several stores, it's kind of difficult to stay on top of everything, even though we have great software now. We didn't have great software before, now you have curbside, which we love curbside, and there's several other softwares out there, but we have chosen curbside, and it has allowed us to scale. And so with that being said, we have gone on and purchased a 20,000 square foot warehouse, and I'm sitting in my office space of it right now. So we've moved everything over here, and so we bought a big folder, a full text folder. I went down to visit Randy Roberts and looked at his folder in Columbus, and I said, me and Kelly were like, we have to have that now. So we ordered that. And so we just had the plumbing inspector. It's taken a little bit longer than I wanted to get everything up and going. You heard me before the podcast. We have the final inspection. So now we're ready to go. And all I'm doing is waiting on the Fotex people to hook the machine up to be in full force. But now we're ready. We're operating now out of this facility starting today. So it's funny. So I'm very excited. We have everything installed, and it's a bright future for pickup and delivery.
Yeah, that is exciting, and congratulations on that huge achievement. Putting that together was no small task. What are some of the challenges in your pickup and delivery business and that whole segment?
Well, the storage. Well, the main challenge was finding the right software to run your pickup and delivery. And I think if someone goes out here, like we chose Curbside and Matt Simmons, I've struck up a really good friendship with Matt and Aaron Simmons, and they have been very supportive for us. And anything that we see that we think that needs to grow, that they'll get on it. And it just makes you look so much more professional. Back in the day, we were using paper tickets. You couldn't track that stuff. It was terrible. And now with all the tracking softwares out here and being able to manage the logistic, this is a logistical business. So it's much easier to manage when you have the proper software in doing so. And then, trying to figure out, we charge by the pound. We were thinking about charging by the bag. There's many different ways of doing things. Yeah. I would love to get away from hangers altogether. And I'm thinking about that because, that takes up a lot of room. That's an additional step. I'm just trying to find ways to make things easier and more efficient and for our team and for everyone involved. Sure. So that's it. But, as far as the hurdles on pickup and delivery, it's a hurdle because you're going into the unknown. Because you started as a laundromat. Now you're truly doing a pickup and delivery. That's a completely different business, and you have to look at it that way as well.
Right. It's a whole different animal, and any way you can streamline it that you can, that's all just going to be better for you.